A pleasant day and peace to all. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and partners, let us gather under the open sky of possibility, for our journey continues, guided by the North Star of our shared mission for our girls. As we embark on this path of this new triennium, let me offer you the opening thought, as if you were dreaming. These words echo from Psalm 126, resonating with the spirit of our time. We are not mere spectators, we are dreamers. We dream of unity that bridges divides and love that ignites our souls. Our dreams are not idle fantasies. They are blueprints for action, etched in the hearts of those who believe that change begins with a single spark. As we reflect on the first 3 months of this triennium, 2024 to 2027, that marked very significant and notable accomplishments for the Central Luzon region compared to the previous years as we aspire ourselves to do better every day. We are pleased and grateful to all our councils for strengthening their visibility in their respective jurisdiction. Despite of all the challenges and stretching of financial resources for the operation of the councils, their efforts have made a significant impact. We are happy to proclaim that the region has reached a new milestone for being the highest in membership for the past years. Activities are already in sight and program and training events are being conducted in person. I'm happy to report the regional achievements and activities projects conducted, their highlights, events, activities, milestones in the region. Evaluation of Chief Girl Scouts Medal Scheme last July to September 2024 via Zoom and face-to-face. The regional evaluators headed by our Regional Executive Director, Mrs. Angelita A. Manalina, and yours truly, evaluated and endorsed as 117 Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme candidates for the year 2023 to 2024 from the 15 councils of the region, July 12, 2024. In recognition of the exemplary effort of the Girl Scouts and adult leaders in the Girl Scouting in the region, the Central Luzon region conducted its search for the regional outstanding Girl Scouts, outstanding troop leaders, outstanding district field advisors, and outstanding trainer for the year 2024 virtually. A 30-minute one-on-one panel interview was conducted to screen the most qualified nominees. The Regional Screening Committee, headed by yours truly, together with our Regional Treasurer, Dr. Carmelita P. Soto, and Dr. Clarita V. Abinales, our Regional Trainer, Council President of Nueva Ecija, and of course, our dearest Regional Executive Director, Mrs. Angelita A. Manalina. After careful deliberation, the following candidates were selected and endorsed for the national screening. Outstanding Girl Scout, Cadet Girl Scout Sofia Lan de los Santos of Manila Girl Scout Council. Outstanding Troop Leader, Mrs. Lorena V. Calvo of Rizal Girl Scout Council. Outstanding District Field Advisor, Mrs. Imelda R. Hopler of Rizal Council. Outstanding Trainer, Mrs. Marilu C. Landicho, Makati City Council. Third, as July 17, 2024. The region witnessed the recognition of excellence in Girl Scouting, Outstanding Girl Scouts of Pasig City. This event celebrates the outstanding achievements, dedication, commitment, and hard work of Girl Scouts within the Council. Annual Council's performance evaluation was held for 2 consecutive weeks from July 31st to August 10, 2024. Bataan, Bulacan, Pasig City, and Rizal Councils were rated outstanding. 13 councils rated very satisfactory, and 2 councils were rated satisfactory. Whereas Mrs. Felicitas E. Bustamante and Mrs. Maria Jesusa E. Sampang were recognized as outstanding council executives. 16 council executives were rated very satisfactory, and 2 council executives were rated satisfactory. Fifth, the region conducted an ocular visit in Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga for the possible venue for the forthcoming 27th National Council Convention in May 2027 to be hosted by the Central Luzon region. Likewise, the venue of the Regional Committee meeting in October 2024. Yours truly, as your chairperson, led the group together with Regional Treasurer Dr. Carmelita P. Soto, the Council Presidents from Angeles City, Honorable Maria Vicenta Vicky Vega Cabigting, and Pampanga, Dr. Lolita L. Molano, Council President, and Council Board members, Ms. Miriam P. Benito and Joanne Lopena. The regional staff, headed by the Regional Executive Director, Mrs. Angelita A. Manalili, together with the Council Executives of Angeles City, Mrs. Mirna N. Pangilinan, Bulacan, Mrs. Felicitas E. Bustamante, and Pampanga, Mrs. Isa H. Malonzo. Last August 15, 2024, yours truly, together with our Regional Executive Director, had a courtesy call meeting with the newly appointed OIC Regional Director of DepEd Region 3, Dr. Ronnie S. Malyari, CESO 5, at the DepEd Regional Office, Sakop Maimpis, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. 7. Last August 31st, 2024, the Regional Office with yours truly conducted its special projects and programs orientation. A total of 75 aspirants, Chief Girl Scouts, 16 troop leaders, and Council Board of Bulacan Girl Scout Council attended the said orientation held at Jonathan R.C. Alvarado's residence at Barangay Pungo, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Last September 2, the region had a courtesy call meeting with the Provincial Governor Honorable Dennis Delta Pineda and Vice Governor Honorable Lilia Nanay Baby Pineda of Pampanga. Likewise, a meeting with the School Division Superintendent of Pampanga, Dr. Romeo M. Alip, CESO 5, in the afternoon. This meeting aims to discuss the upcoming activities of the region. Yours truly led the group together with the Pampanga Council President Dr. Lolita L. Molano and Executive Ms. Isa H. Malonzo, the Council Board member Mrs. Joanne Lopena, and the regional staff headed by our Regional Executive Director Mrs. Angelita A. Manilini, together with the Council Executive of Bulacan, Mrs. Melicitas E. Bustamante. 9. Staff Development Team Building. The regional staff played an important role as the backbone of the movement. For this reason, too, they were given the opportunity to take a break from their heavy work and replace it with encouragement and enjoyment. This activity also aims to strengthen bonds, build trust, and rekindle the Girl Scout spirits for the regional staff. It was made possible through the courtesy and collective efforts of the region. At Camp John Hay Golf and Country Club, Baguio City, held last September 2021-2024. 10. Isang pasasalamat for the DepEd School Division Superintendents and Regional Directors. Through the collaborative efforts of the councils and region, the region successfully conducted its Isang Pasasalamat for the Department of Education School Division Superintendents and Regional Directors for Region 3, Region 4A, and National Capital Region last September 27, 2024 at Chiara's Event Place, Mandaluyong City. These events aims to recognize the DepEd families' undying support to our movement and to commemorate our partnership in helping us shape our girls together to become the best version of themselves with great impact on our community. The region is truly grateful for the hosting efforts of Mandaluyong City Council, especially to our dearest Council President, Honorable Vice Mayor Carmelita A. Abalos. The generosity and hospitality of Abalos family make our celebration a successful one. The regional committee and staff together with all the school division superintendents, regional directors, and representatives happily joined these momentous events of the region. 11. Council Board Orientation and Induction of Officers. With the guidance of the regional office, the following councils successfully conducted their Council Board Orientation and Inductions of Officers. July 13 and August 17 to 18. The Bulacan Council held its Part 1 and Part 2 Orientation and Induction held Jonathan R.C. Alvarado's Place at Barangay Pungo, Kalumpit, Bulacan, and Part 2 was held Midland, Saratoga, Tagaytay, Highlands. 40 council boards and standing committees attended. July 18, induction, and August 26, 2024, their orientation. Tarlac Council. The first part was held at Walter Mart Taniki, Tarlac, and the second part was held Tarlac Girl Scout Council, Camp Palanas, San Juan de Mata, Tarlac City. September 6, 2024, the Bataan Council held its orientation, induction, and awarding ceremonies at Bulwagan ng mga bayani at Banal Kabutiran, Kalaylayan, Agutay, Bataan. Council Board and standing committees attended. September 14, 2024, Makati City held orientation part 1 at San Jose Elementary School, Makati City. 15 Council Board attended. 12. Council Executives Meeting. To the hosting efforts of the councils, the Council Executives Meeting were held every month from July to September 2024. This meeting aims to discuss the issues, events, and activities of the region and national headquarters. The region monitored the Girl Scouts with celebration of Bulacan Girl Scout Council last September 25 at Bukawi Central School, Bukawi, Bulacan. Likewise, the council-wide celebration of Olongapo City last September 27, 2024 at Marikit Park, Olongapo City. Participation in national events, activities. Flag raising ceremony held at Rizal Monument, Manila last July 1, 2024, attended by 25 girls and adult leaders, council executives, staffs from Bulacan Girl Scout Council. Day with the Girl Scouts with Special Needs, Philippine National School for the Blinds. On July 19, 2024, 75 girls and adults from Caloocan, Pasay City, Pasig City, Quezon City, Valenzuela City Girl Scout Councils. Regional executive directors and 4 staff had attended this event. Thanksgiving Mass, Faith Day, Antipolo Cathedral, Antipolo City, September 15, 2024, 52 girls, adults, leaders from Rizal Girl Scout Council. Girl Scouts Week celebration from September 15 to 21, 2024. All councils conducted their Girl Scout Week celebration. Unveiling of Jose Pallanes Escoda historical marker and Escoda ceremony held at GSP National Headquarters, Manila, last September 20, 2024, attended by 51 Girl Scouts adults from Caloocan City, Manila, Pasig City, Quezon City, Valenzuela City Girl Scout Council. Jose Pallanes Escoda Conference held at Jose Pallanes Escoda GSP National Headquarters, Manila, last September 20, 2024, attended by 51 girls and adults from Caloocan City, Manila, Pasay City, Pasig City, and Valenzuela City Girl Scout Council. International Coastal Cleanup, held at SM by the Bay, Central Park, Pasay City, last September 21, 2024, attended by 219 girls and adults, leaders from Manila and Pasay City. Participation in the international events, activities. Global Youth Summit, held at SM Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City, last August 27, 2024, attended by 175 girls and adult leaders and council executives, staff of Caloocan City, Makati City, Manila, Pasay City, Quezon City, Rizal, and Valenzuela City as we step into the next chapters of this triennium. Let's carry this momentum forward. Let's dream bigger, reach higher, and celebrate every milestone along the way. And when we look back, we may say, we lived those months with purpose, and in doing so, we changed lives. Welcome to the new journey. My co-volunteers, let's dream boldly, act fiercely, and celebrate every sunrise along the way. And thank you for being the guiding stars, illuminating paths, fostering growth, and leaving footprints of kindness to our girls and movement. May your visibility continue to inspire others, and may your impact ripple far beyond the boundaries of our movement. Thank you very much. God bless us all. More power to each and everyone. Mabuhay ang Central Luzon region. Mabuhay ang Girl Scouts of the Philippines.